How to put flash notifications on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings, and your settings will look like this. Then the next thing that you want to do is to go scroll down here up until you see accessibility. Here it's under home screen and app library and above wallpaper. So tap on the accessibility here and scroll all the way down up until you see the hearing section here where you can see the audio slash visual. Click on the audio and slash visual and scroll all the way down again up until you see the visual section where you can see LED flash for alerts, and currently it is turned off, so click on that and make sure to toggle on the LED flash for alerts, and basically all your notifications will be put on flash, and basically that's how you put flash notifications on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.